Tesla rolling out Robotaxi pilot in San Francisco Bay Area. Tesla is reportedly preparing to launch a Robotaxi pilot program in the Bay Area this weekend, with invites to a select number of customers reportedly being sent out as early as this Friday. The update was shared in a report from Insider, which cited an internal memo from the electric vehicle maker. New Robotaxi service launch. According to Insider, the Robotaxi service in the Bay Area is set to launch as soon as Friday. Thus, some Tesla owners in the area should receive invites to use the driverless ride-hailing service. Similar to the Austin pilot, the Robotaxi rides will reportedly be a paid service. The publication noted that the Robotaxi service's geofence in its Bay Area launch will be quite large, as it will include Marin, much of the East Bay, San Francisco, and San Jose. This is not surprising, as California has long been saturated with Teslas, and it is home to several of the electric vehicle makers' key facilities. Unlike the Austin pilot, the Tesla Robotaxi service's pilot in the Bay Area will use safety drivers seated in the driver's seat. These drivers will be able to manually take over using the steering wheel and brakes as needed. As per a spokesperson from the California DMV, the agency recently met with Tesla, but the company is yet to submit a formal application to operate fully driverless cars. Tesla Robotaxi expansion. Interestingly enough, Tesla did tease the release of its Robotaxi service to the Bay Area in its second quarter earnings call. While discussing the service, Tesla VP of Autopilot AI software Ashok Ellaswamy mentioned that the company will initially be rolling out Robotaxis with safety drivers in the San Francisco Bay Area. He did, however, also highlight that the electric vehicle maker is working hard to get government permission to release the service for consumers. The next thing to expand would be in the San Francisco Bay Area. We are working with the government to get approval here and, in the meanwhile, launch the service without the person in the driver's seat just to expedite, and while we wait for regulatory approval, he stated. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.